Saffron milk, also known as Kesar Doodh in Ayurvedic medicine, has been a revered beverage for centuries in many Eastern cultures. This golden-hued milk is infused with the potent essence of saffron, a spice derived from the dried stigmas of the saffron crocus flower. Saffron milk is not only a delicious and comforting drink, but it also offers a multitude of health benefits, making it an excellent addition to a healthy diet. One of the primary reasons to consume saffron milk is its rich antioxidant content. Saffron contains a unique combination of bioactive compounds, including crocin and quercetin, which have been shown to have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help to protect the body against free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and lead to various chronic diseases. By consuming saffron milk, individuals can help to boost their antioxidant levels and reduce their risk of developing conditions such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Another significant benefit of saffron milk is its ability to promote relaxation and reduce stress. The bioactive compounds present in saffron have been shown to have a calming effect on the nervous system, helping to reduce anxiety and promote a sense of well-being. This makes saffron milk an excellent beverage to consume before bedtime, as it can help to improve sleep quality and duration. Additionally, the relaxing properties of saffron milk has also been shown to have a positive impact on cognitive function. The crocin and quercetin present in saffron have been found to have neuroprotective effects, helping to protect the brain against oxidative stress and inflammation. This can help to improve memory, attention, and mood, making saffron milk a valuable beverage for individuals looking to boost their cognitive function. Additionally, the antioxidants present in saffron milk may help to reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In addition to its cognitive benefits, saffron milk has also been found to have a positive impact on heart health. The potassium content in saffron helps to lower blood pressure, while the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds present in saffron may help reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing the formation of blood clots and improving blood lipid profiles. This makes saffron milk an excellent beverage for individuals looking to reduce their risk of heart disease and improve their overall cardiovascular health. Saffron milk has also been traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine to help manage blood sugar levels. The crocin and quercetin present in saffron have been found to have a positive effect on insulin sensitivity, glucose metabolism, and blood sugar control. This makes saffron milk a valuable beverage for individuals with diabetes or those looking to reduce their risk of developing the condition. Furthermore, saffron milk has been found to have immunomodulatory effects, supporting the immune system and helping to prevent illnesses. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds present in saffron may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can weaken the immune system. This makes saffron milk an excellent beverage for individuals looking to boost their immune function and reduce their risk of illness. Finally, saffron milk has been traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine to promote skin and hair health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds present in saffron may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the skin, promoting healthy aging and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Saffron milk may also help promote healthy hair growth, reduce dandruff, and improve scalp health. In conclusion, saffron milk is a nutritious and delicious beverage that offers a multitude of health benefits. From reducing stress and anxiety to supporting heart health and cognitive function, saffron milk is an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Whether consumed hot or cold, saffron milk is a comforting and invigorating drink that can be enjoyed at any time of day.